In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Bluetooth couldn't connect on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Start menu, search for Services, and click on the Services window. Now scroll down until you find the Bluetooth services. Double-click on each service that starts with the word Bluetooth, set the startup type to automatic, and then click Apply and OK. Repeat this process for all Bluetooth services listed. After that, open the Start menu again, search for Device Manager, and click on it. If you don't see Bluetooth listed, click on View and select Show Hidden Devices. Once Bluetooth is visible, expand it and look for Intel Wireless Bluetooth. Right-click on it, select Update Driver, and choose Search automatically for drivers. Now your Bluetooth connection issue should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.